Thank you for choosing AAA. A certified battery technician is on the way. Once arrived, the technician will test your battery with our state-of-the-art tester. It only takes a few minutes to get a detailed diagnosis of what may be wrong. The technician will go over the results with you, confirming the state of your battery. Need a jump? No problem. If your battery needs to be replaced, the technician can install a new premium AAA battery with a 3-year warranty, along with your member-exclusive pricing right there on the spot. The convenience of this service is unmatched, providing a fast solution with no need for a tow. Free battery testing, delivery, installation, and recycling. Competitively priced quality batteries with power that meets or exceeds your vehicle's equipment specifications, and a warranted product that is covered in the U.S. and Canada by AAA, a company you can always trust. We hope this service gets you safely on your way.